already I have explained you the theory. So today I am going to say how we are going to do the experiments on the single fiber tensile strength. So first, these are the sisal fibers. So we have to extract the single fiber. So we have to first find the single fiber like this. Visually we have to remove it, or we can take the help of hand lenses. In the sisal fiber it's very easy to find out the single fiber, but when you are talking about the glass fiber and carbon fiber, you have to be aware. So you can see I have extracted the single fiber of the sisal. If you have any doubt whether it is a single fiber or not, it will be clear when we are going to see the dimensions of the dimensions of the diameter in the microscope. So after extracting the single fiber, what we have to do, we have to take some paper, thickness paper, because we cannot hold this fiber directly and put it into the testing machine or the grips for the tensile testing. So we have to hold this fiber. So what we have to do, we have to first take some thick paper, and the dimensions, we have to put the dimensions like this. We have the gauge length of 50 mm in this, and we have to put the tab length up and down, and we have to remove the center portion from the seal with the help of scissors. After making the tab like this, paper supports like this, what is there, we have to put the single fibers here. So what we have to do, we have to put the single fiber like this. The length, it will come automatically because we have marked the gauge length on the paper, and then with the help of after keep putting the some adhesive, generally we are using the Bondtite on the top and bottom, 24 hours Bondtite, and then we are putting the tab like this exactly, so we will get a straight single fiber tensile specimen. So we have prepared some. I am going to show you some good some specimens. This is a cane grass. This is a cane grass. It is not actually a single fiber. This is the outer strip, but we are testing it like a single fiber. So I think it will be clear in the video. So we have to take the dimensions of these in the microscope. So you can see it is having the length of 100 mm, and after putting the adhesive, we have put the tabs. Okay. Similarly, we have used for the this sisal fiber. For the sisal fiber, we have used this 20 mm of gauge length, and this top and bottoms are the tabs. Okay. Here you will find that this fiber is having a loose. Okay. So what actually generally occurs, whenever if you are not interested with the modulus, you are interested for the strength only. So whenever we will cut this paper support, when we will put it into the tensile testing machine, we are going to cut this paper supports. So this will come in a straight way. But we have to try to be in the straight. For example, in this, if you will see, this is the straight. Okay. And there is one more is the carbon fiber. This you can see the carbon fiber. It's a very, I think I will ask my support, please zoom the video so that if you can show the carbon fiber, single fiber carbon fiber testing specimen. You can see we have made it, we have properly cut it. After properly cutting it, we have used the Bondtite of 24 hours, put the tabs there. This is single fiber straight. Is it visible? Okay. Okay, so like this we are making the samples. Now the second step is to get the dimensions of these samples. Okay. This is a G's microscope, optical microscope. So what we are going to do here, we have put the tabs in the single fiber testing supports, paper supports. but we exactly don't know the dimensions, because for finding the tensile strength we should know the dimensions of the fiber. So we are here to find the diameters of the fiber. So here we have the two types of lenses. One is having the 0.5 magnification and the 0.5x. Another one is the 1.5x. We are going to use the 1.5x here. We have removed the cover from here. We are putting the lights. We have already explained you that we have the three types of fiber. One is the carbon fiber, one is a sisal fiber, and one is a cane strip fiber. Cane strips, actually, cane grass strips. So first I am seeing the dimensions of the carbon fiber. Okay. So first we are going in the live, clicking the live. Now we have to go and focus and see. Okay. This is a carbon fiber. So we are going to focus it, enlarge it and focus it. Okay.
Yes.
You can see.
Yes.
Okay, now it is actually clear one, so I am not focusing much there, but I can enlarge it so that it will be more clear whether it is a single fiber or not. So it is a single fiber. I am going to focus it much more. Okay, this one, and take the dimensions of this single fiber. So snapshot, and here you can see either it is an image or there is a there is a shadow or there is some extra carbon fiber is there. So we are not going to take the dimensions there. We are going to take the dimensions wherever these fibers are clearly visible. So this is 23.99. We can change the positions actually. Here in the light, I am going to change the positions to see different at different locations. Okay, now I have focused it at another place. I am going to snap it. So you can see now it is clearly visible that it is a single fiber. That is some shadow or some weak zone where strange. So here also we can see the dimensions are consistent. Okay. Actually we have to focus it much more so that the side will be easily, we can visualize it. But the problem when we are taking it like this, the shadow should not be captured. So we can enlarge it like this so that we will aware what the dimensions, what we have took it in lower magnification and higher magnifications. So it is consistent. The first dimensions what we took it is 23.99. This is 22.97, 23.91. So it is consistent. We have took around 6 dimensions. We can take one or two more dimensions for the 50 mm of gauge length, so this is more than enough.